I'd like to introduce you to our brand new Smarthon Smart City IoT Starter Kit for Microbit. Over half of our world lives in cities, and the number is growing day by day. Every country wants their cities to run more efficiently, and now they're investing into making their cities smarter to achieve those goals. In this kit, students will be able to understand the concept of smart cities and the Internet of Things that enable the city to run itself by using Microbit. You'll experience being an urban planner and a sustainable developer for the future. Now, let's open the box and see what's inside. The kit includes part list card, all of the necessary electronics including our IoT bit board for creating a smart city, wire packs, accessory pack, USB cable, our well-designed A2 map, cardboard and wooden models of city objects. You can just scan the QR code using your mobile phone or tablet, and you will gain access to the handbook with all of the cases ranging from 1 to 11. The projects range in difficulty from basic smart city elements to more advanced IoT projects. All of the cases focus on either smart living, smart mobility, or smart environment. Let's take an example of case 1, Automated Playground Lab. It focuses on saving energy. When the motion sensor triggers after someone comes nearby, the LED will turn on. Firstly, assemble the model, connect the motion sensor and the LED to your IoT board. For programming, follow the necessary instructions and upload the program to the Microbit via USB cable. Plug the Microbit to the IoT bit board, test it, and now you have completed the Smart Playground Lab. Our kit is incredibly flexible and interactive. It is especially suitable for 2 students to do a group project. It allows students to create their dream smart city and try their hands on scenarios like modern residential house, green engineering, and transport safety and security. For makers and advanced students, you can learn all the things more deeply through our full, completed online documentation. All the details and specifications are open and available online on our website. Moreover, our Smarthon Smart City IoT Starter Kit is courseware oriented. This means that teachers can easily utilize our kit in teaching, as it comes with a complete suggested course outline, lesson plans, teacher notes, and student lab sheets. We hope that you will enjoy this kit and will be inspired to build the city of your dreams.